Hi everybody, my name is Jess Graham and I am a fifth grade teacher in Liberal, Kansas. We're in the very southwest corner of Kansas. I've been teaching for 13 years and I used to teach second grade and then third grade, and this is my, I think, fifth year teaching fifth grade. My district is a Title I district. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 schools in our district, and every single school is considered Title I. We also have a very high ESL population district-wide. We're about 75% ESL, I believe, and my building in particular is quite a bit higher than that. We're probably somewhere around 90% ESL. We also, my building and the high school building were chosen to participate in the Kansas Can School Redesign Project. We're one of the Mercury 7 schools, which means we've spent this year redesigning what education is going to look like in Kansas. In the past, my district has been very, this is what you're going to teach, this is when you're going to teach it, but because we're part of this redesign project, we get to decide what we're going to do, and it's not the administrators telling us what we're going to do. It's actually the teachers that get to choose what we're doing. So since January, we've been piloting some programs that we're considering using, and here in a couple weeks, we actually have to sit down and decide for sure what's going to be part of our plan and what's going to be implemented year 1, what's going to be implemented year 2, and kind of what our plans are for that. I also serve on the building leadership team and the building's redesign team, and I'm also on the district technology committee. What are they calling it now? I think it's technology integration committee or something like that. So I get to help make technological decisions for the district as well. I'm currently working on my master's in instructional technology at Fort Hays. After this class, I will only have 3 left, and I am very ready to be done. As far as what I hope to take away from this class, this summer, because of the redesign project, I get to go to a Buck Institute project-based learning training. And then I also get to go to the ISTE conference, and I want to find ways to kind of integrate those 2 trainings that I get to go to and help design our PBL units for next year and years to come, because we're going to be doing a lot more PBL, and we don't have those units. We have to kind of come up with them on our own, so it'll be good to kind of have some idea of how to go about planning that. I hope to learn a lot in this class. Thanks. Bye.